Writing tools for English writing. I want to quickly mention 3 tools today that are very useful when you're writing in English, whether it's for an exam, it's an email to a client or something like that, to help you to write well, okay? These are tools that I use myself because I am from Ireland, so my native language is English, but I live in Spain, so I also need to write emails and things like that in Spanish. So I like to have these tools both to check my English, even though I am an English teacher and I translate, but also to check for mistakes and things like that, or better ways to say things, and also to check my Spanish as well, or better ways to express myself. So let's go. The first one is, as a translator, I use DeepL. You can see it here. There is Google Translate. People use that and it's fine. But I do find DeepL is more intuitive and gives me more correct translations. So you choose which one you prefer. But for me, DeepL is my go-to. So if I go to DeepL, type in deepl.com and type in you can choose your languages here at the top, and then it gives you one option, and it sometimes also gives you other options that you can check as well. If I'm not entirely happy with this, then I go to, because sometimes you need context, I go to Inglés, and I can write in the full sentence or part of my sentence here, and I can choose which languages. It gives me translations here, and then later below, it gives me examples. So here you can see if what you're looking for is exactly here, because sometimes we are looking for something quite specific and the general translation isn't good, or we're not sure. So it's better to see it in an actual example. So you can do that here. And then if you want to check your writing, even in your own language or in English, you can use this. You can add it to your browser. And it's really useful. It helps you with maybe the length of the sentences, how to say something in a better way, or just general mistakes that you're making, punctuation, spelling, things like that. So it's really useful, and it can help you to make your writing much better. So I hope that is useful. If you like that, please subscribe to our channel and tell us what you would like to see in the future.